You, that your own siblings will sit down comfortably, cursing out your own mother-in-law. Even you giving room for people to curse out your mother-in-law. You think I'll respect someone like you? You're a goat. You're a fool. You think your mother-in-law's children will be happy seeing that their sister, who is maybe last born, or a husband, because for a problem, they insult their mother, their father. You're a goat. You think I don't have sense? All of you put together, that is cursing me, that is thinking that, all of you put together, you're a coward. Now, let's come to the money aspect of it. When I give you guys business or contracts, when I want to pay, we have to pay into a business account. I told you guys to open business account for your cleaning business. I gave you ideas what to do, how to do it. I practically trained your wife, 2 of us. Come and tell the world. What have I done that would deserve or warrant you to be insulting me? I went to school study. I went to trainings. I went to gather evidence of what can bring food to a table. Then I came to teach you for free. What I teach people for thousands, hundreds. I taught your wife for free. I even give on top of it. You come out and curse me. Say I defy friendship. Now, let's say I was looking for friendship. What can you do for me? What can you or your wife do for me? Can you help me to compose an email? Can you help me to do any proposal? Can you help me to go and speak on my behalf? Can you help me to run my business for 1 month when I'm not around? You're a goat. You're a goat. I'm ashamed to say that. I'm even taking my time to talk to you. You're a fool. For good 2 hours and 25 minutes. Who have you not slapped? Who have you not beat? Every finger that has helped you, you've caused them. What did Very Dark Man do to you? Just because I love my brother Very Dark Man. Just because I support him. You expect me to come and be dancing to your tune. Guys, you guys know what caused problem, the major problem. When I went with you in, you invited me again for something else. Because on top of my entire video, you're crazy. He invited me for Aswan Igodaro program, sir. Dr. Aswan, yes. And then I love Dr. Aswan. I love his what's the word now? His proposals, his what he plans to do for the Edo State, and so many things, Aswan Igodaro. I was like, I love the man, and I was like, okay, campaigning, talking, So Aswan Igodaro, I went for the show. He begged me. He said, "Man, I would like you to come." I went there. Did you not see the way I was talking? Did you not see the people that was there? Did you not hear what they say? I should come back. When I was talking, when I stand up to ask questions or to contribute, did you not see the way everyone? Wow. Please, we need you more. Anytime we have program. All right, thank you. Is that not what I did? Is that not what they were all saying? Because somebody was talking. I'm not your regular. I am not your... You're even mocking. And if they speak English... Yes. Yes, English is not my first language. So it's a privilege for me to have learned English, to know how to use it constructively. I'm not you who cannot construct a word. You're a coward. You are not a man. You're a pussy. You're a fool. Yeah, you are. Guess what? After that show, now if he has any show he wants to invite me, I'm like, hold on a minute, you crazy. Then there's another show. The ex-governor Obaseki's show. He invited me. I did not go. I then sent him a message, whatever. This goat did not. He pretended as if, why didn't I, as if he has this dominatory spirit, this aggressive kind of, like, who do you think you are? You are crazy. You are mad. Something is wrong with your head. The day you came out to do a video and say your parents, your father, never taught you all how to respect each other. That's when I knew you were a coward. You're a goat. Then I did not go. Then his mood changed. His behavior changed. The one that just made it worse. I did not go for this daughter. I did not celebrate it. He said I did not post the daughter. When the wife gave birth in hospital, she sent me the pictures. And she called me. She said, in quotes, nobody know yet. My husband has not posted it yet. I said, yeah, your husband has not posted anything. So I didn't even know. He said, after my husband post, please, before you post. I said, okay, she has sent me everything and all of that. I said, okay, that's fine. Congratulations. I was happy, prayed for her, because it's from my heart. She's a sweetheart. She's just, I don't know, it's just when you marry a goat, you are not covering for the goat, you become a partner in crime. Then I talked to her. We said, okay, that's fine. I did not. My dear brothers and sisters, and what did I even do? I didn't post it. Then after 2 weeks or so, or 3 weeks, 4 weeks, so I can't even remember, she now called me. My husband is not happy. He said that you didn't post, baby, if we don't offend you, whether you invest for us. I said, no. It's not you that told me that your husband will post first before I post. So I just, you tell me when to post. So I just forgot, So we talked it through. So the husband picked the phone. Madam, because I always talk to your brother, very dark man, you know like her. No, because I talk to your brother, I say, oh, who be my brother? He's a very dark man. So you, I don't know why you always talk about him. What has he done? Is it not the same thing you're pursuing? You say you want a better Nigeria. He's pursuing. So why are you, what is the thing? What has he really done? Do you guys know that this goat could not tell me one thing? One. He just say, no, sometimes, okay, I'm not tackling again. I'll take him slowly. And so that people know your thing, say why I stop like that. I said, listen, you just need to stop. It doesn't make no sense. If it's done wrong, that's fine. But if he's not done anything wrong, it doesn't make sense. You're fighting for better Edo, better Nigeria. Why are you doing this? Finish you. Like saying that, that's something they want to finish. Then once or 2 or 3 times, me and I will ever talk about him, his wife. Maybe when he posts anything about very dark man, I'm like, what happened? The wife will say, no mind now, he just posts on, you know, this is my husband, say, I find trouble. He just posts on because of, writers go, conde, you know, you get where they go, he's busy, is this, is that. So, you know, do program, just stand them people for the page, they're busy. I said, okay. So I wasn't saying anything. That's why most of you see, I don't say anything, I just ignore it. Thinking the man, okay, thinking the man will stop. He won't stop. He won't stop. He keep going. He keep going because he has no boundaries. So because I didn't post the daughter, and I didn't go to Aswen, no, I didn't go to Mr. Ex-Governor's meet and greet problem. You know those kind of people that like to use you for their own benefits. I just said to myself, I said, who is this idiot? You're in a mate. So since that time, that was it. Until he came now. He did a video last time. I didn't say anything. I kept quiet. Now he came out again to do another video. He they call me prophetess. I won't beg you for one thing. Just call my name. He says I did both now. I call your name, Albert. And I can justify, I can tell why I did. But you hide under the name prophetess. Oh, now you need to pray for very dark man. Now you organize prayer. So it will say I did with you. And another thing, you say, now so I will give you money, and they give you star. Now so I call you, you call me defend the rat goats. You call me fight. Put your hand for your chest and say this after me. That if I ever came to you to say, come and help me to fight, that everything that's got to do with your conscience, let it trouble me till the day God called me. But if I did not call you to come and fight for me, I did not. The conversation you had with me was that it was about the land. Because I was always doing Facebook talking about how I want to build charity this thing for special needs children back home in Africa. But it's going to be a business that pays his own way. You don't say you've heard about it. I can see you the way you are giving money online. Mama, take an easy, may your money not go finish. Sometimes they fear. Even see the way that they give money, said my heart they drop. Did you not say that? My thunder will strike you. You are a liar from the pit of hell. So I said, no, I'm fine, thank you. I'm alright. Then he went further. And I said, yes, I really want the land. That's why I even fell into this the other idiot. I said, yes, I want the land. He gave me advice at that time. At that time, I thought it was the perfect advice. He said, you want to invest that kind of amount in Edo State, in Benin? Don't so. This government really is so. If they win, wanna listen though? If they win, you go hard. They feel claim your land from you. You know go work. But if they don't win, go ahead. And that kind of thing, if you want one, it must be on the main road. I said no. I want to do it the way they do it in abroad. Things like that is not in main road. That's why they don't succeed in doing it. You see all this charity orphanage and all that. They always want to put it in town, inside town. It's not for town. So anyway, we just talked about it. He asked me land. Charity organization here where children go like God's power. They don't build it with 20 acres. They don't build it with, it's fine. 100 by 100, they don't build that. It would just be like, I was like, the way they said I said, yes, this is what I want. This is how I want it. Anyway, they wake up from social media, sleep social media. Can they say, now so me calling it. So he gave me that advice. I took it and I ran with it. That's fine. It's a craze. You know how many lands and properties we get for the Edo State, for that Benin city? You the mad. Then he came out to say, and I saw me get project, I want to do billions of whatever. Imagine if I had told him secrets. I feel, be careful. Your wife, be careful. Be careful. It's not it's just a peaceful advice with love from my heart. So I told this goat, I said, no problem. Thank you for the advice. That was it. That he came out to say all sorts of lies about me. The times I have dropped his wife off is that time that he cannot go and pick those children and then start coming. If not, they will be late. When the wife comes to clean my restaurant, to train her for work, to give her job, I give her my clients. True of us. So how did they find you? Me when they see chance sit down, pay eat lunch or whatever. And you can't even they use your eye till they describe me. Say my leg be like your hand. Wait till I will strike you. Your house, is there no treadmill? Shall you buy treadmill? Make your wife the gym. Why not the gym? If no one be like me, no one get shaped like me. You a Chris. Now it's not like now they condemn. Shall you go gym? You won't be like my brother, very dark. But you're not fit now. With your pot belly. One pack. With your pot belly, with your dirty face that people pay you to shave. You said me and your wife, they compete, say, make me bring my account to the Chris. Say your wife get, yes now, your wife get money, but that's fine. That's an addition to the Nigerian community or whatever. And they compete with your wife. You the Chris. Your wife, they pay any of my bills. In fact, I pay your bills because that job, I gave you my products. I gave you my skills. I taught your wife how to clean. I gave your wife equipment, how to use them. So why are you not making it look like I did you wrong? We'll be saying how good I do for you. But Obazee, now your good, what you do for people, they will beat you put. The good you've done for people, they will see you and spat on you. They will see you and spat on you. Now say they want to send me money. Oh, right, I want to send you money. When you've done job, I want to pay you. Where should I pay the money? Who will give me account number? You be Chris. You be fool. Because you know say you don't want to pay tax. You don't want to pay tax. I told the wife most time, tell your husband to go and be doing this cleaning. If your husband is doing this cleaning, I know even they come social media. But I clean finish money till night, he reaches, your body don't go. Most time people seeing that he doesn't post, maybe put very dark man there those days, he put many of very dark, because he follow your wife go do cleaning. You're a Chris. Can your wife clean? Can she clean? Guys, do you guys remember when I did teach people how to clean their kitchen extractors, how to remove your extractor, how to clean it? Pardon me, that was when the wife contacted me. That period, I was always teaching cleaning. How you clean your house, how your skating board should be clean. That's when she told me that's what she wants to do. I said, yes, don't worry, I'll help you. That's how I help Albert Obazee. I have never drank Albert's cup of water. I have never eaten Albert's biscuits. I have never taken Albert's Coke. Even the Aswan show that Mr. Obaseki show that I did not go, I sent him £100 because I didn't go, maybe to spray or to whatever. So now good way that I do for you. Now if they come out, going to cost me. Send me the 5 friendship. I enter your house. And your house don't be asked for 50, enter. When I drop your wife for late after she don't work, cleaning is hard. You come and come, they talk to me. My brother very that one they talk to anyhow. Oh. If they paying you, supporting him, he has a screwed upstairs. You are a thief. You are a 419. You said I'm paying innocent to come and eat a Chris. If I face you for social media here, you will fall to empty ground. But I don't have your time. Those who came for me, they know. So I dare you, come out and do another video. Call my name. Just call my name. You know why I won't face you? It's my child name you brought in. And what you said. It's good to say things, but you prove it. You prove it. You are cursed. Imagine how you cause people pain. Imagine how you cause people pain. You guys in this adult cyberspace, all of you that have done me wicked, evil, no tribe, nobody else have done me what you guys have done to me. And the funniest thing, I don't do you guys anything. Nothing. I don't do you guys anything. I have not done you guys bad. Rather, you guys always be the one to do me bad. You come for me unprovocatively. You come for me unannounced. And to just because me. As I said, you're not mates. You give me age, now give me 800 years, no problem. Oh, no, go reach that age. Any age now give me, I accept. But when you reach that age, children will throw stone at you, men will curse you, you will be rejected from where you're supposed to be accepted. You mock me with prayer, where your wife, they call me for, say, Amma, you didn't pray last night. I always join for the prayer. It's as if it's me you're praying for, my family. You, as you've mocked God over my life, you will be useless. You will be useless. You mock God over my, because of you, I know how many, even there was a sister who, God, I know the insults. When they, you still say the cost part, you not put, they don't know that. I talk to your wife. I don't talk to you. I'm not your friend. I'm not even your wife's friend. Do you know the meaning of acquaintances? Yes, I was just helping you guys. What am I learning from? She was so lovely. She's so sweet. But a man who does not have respect for mother-in-law, they will cost mother-in-law, cost, because you don't forget respect. You're a goat. They can't talk to very dark man. Because he says, I know green for you. You get where you will do this. He says, I know green. You're mad. Pray and never say they cry. You go cry. Back off me, eh? Make una leave me. If they want to talk this life, why the state, the country, the people who I help pass for abroad. Now I do people, Benin, precisely. But why? Now still they cost me pain. I don't do anything. No, still they cost me pain. They are good ones. But the good ones don't come out to speak, to say, why are you guys doing this to Priscilla? Why are you guys doing this? What has she done? No. No one will come out to stand to say, no, I'm going to stop this thing. I was born and bred in Benin. I'm from Benin. Born and bred in Benin. I gave to Benin. I give. I know many of them, they pay on a rent for abroad. Still, I'll still get married. My wicked sha, most of them. But the good ones, God bless you all. But you see the demon ones, Muna still not leave. Muna leave me alone. This time is eye for eye, tooth for tooth. Come out and debunk. At least let me do 20-something minutes video. You do 2.5 hours. Come and debunk it. You coward. You useless of a man. Say that's why I buy present for your mama. Now so you know what to. Now so your marriage Nigeria. Now so your man go. Why if you know once it wasn't requested for. It wasn't something me and your wife talked about. And when people were cursing out your mother because she has sunburn or whatever, say okay, I'll say out. I'll add some things. Okay, when I was not coming, I added lots of things. Did I come to your house? Inside your house? No. Anytime you tell your wife to show you number, come outside. I know they stay for 1 minute, talk less than one drink. Talk less than one. I know anytime I break, na car they sit down. Unless I want open boot collect, give you something, come out. Thunder strike you. Thunder strike you. Guess what, guys? I give you what I gave to you. I walk away. I was never your friend. We didn't sit in the same table. We've never. My presence, you know, is electrifying. You know. When I see black people, Nigerians or Africans, I don't want to help. So, you not teach me less another thing. I don't learn new thing today from very dark man. As that woman come out and talk like idiot. Person when you don't help, people when you don't help, you want even ship car for free. Still come out and won't talk like the way they talk. You know, see the way they turn, make you turn. That's the best way right now. All of now they make but when they talk inside, I hear all of now. When I come and come say this now, what you don't do for me. This now one good one I don't do for me. None of now. It's not a shame. But when you come into someone's life, you want to devour them. You have the vampire's mouths. You guys are vile, wickedly wicked. What concerns me on that? What do we have in common? Nothing. But what you guys want from me was in the pocket. Once I stop giving, is a problem. Once I detached, is a problem. In that Edo state, in Benin precisely, my family has contributed more than your father and your mother and your 10th generation born and bred in that Edo state, in that Benin city. I say it because I know what I'm talking about. You are a madman. You are you're delusional. You are delusional. You are crazy. You are a coward. You are a senseless idiot. Come on. Okay. You live right in my backyard.